This is ZMD11. I'm going to be shooting a bouncy ball, a glass heart, and a CD from about 20 yards. I'm going to be using my Crosman Phantom, using my new destroyer pellets, and 177 cal. I'm going to give you guys a better view here.
Dearborn, Detroit, Frankenmuth. Walmart will now mail their generic prescriptions right to your home, no matter where you live in Michigan. Grant, because we think everyone should be able to get low-cost prescriptions, not just those who live close to a Walmart. Novi, Macomb. So now you can get a 90-day supply of many generic prescriptions for only $10, and we'll mail it right to you. Greenbush, Grand Rapids, Town. This way, more people living in more areas can save money on their medication. Warren, Saugatuck, including every city, every county, and every town in Michigan. Marshall. Call 1-800-2-REFILL to sign up today. That's 1-800-2-REFILL. Or go to walmart.com/pharmacy-home-delivery for more information. Save money. Live better. Walmart. Restrictions apply. See walmart.com/pharmacy-home-delivery or call 1-800-2-REFILL for details.
Mother's Day is Sunday, May 10th. This Mother's Day, surprise your mother, grandmothers, and godmother with the perfect gift. Lovely flowers artfully arranged by Viviano's professional designers. Nothing expresses your heartfelt feelings and fondest wishes more when service and quality.
Okay, thanks for watching.